This is an example for speed breaker trading target hit for Chambal fertilizer. On 16th of June, I had posted this on my Facebook page. We found a nice speed breaker with a pole height of almost 110 points. Entry was triggered at 300 and target was 410 based on this movement. And stop loss we had calculated as 249 to give it a nice big room to move. Okay. And recently the stock did hit target. One of my students, Akhilesh, pointed it out in our investors club as well. So if you look currently, it has nicely hit its target. So this is our initial speed breaker over here with this movement. And our target was 410 and it was hit recently on 8th of October. As you can see in 1-2 days, the stock over exceeded its target. It was again a conservative target, obviously. At the same time, you need to notice that the stock practically did nothing for this entire period of time. Okay, it was very frustrating, and those who did not have patience might not have been able to profit from the stock because of the sheer reason that this was again another frustrating sideways movement. But this is what happens. Stocks hit targets on 1 or 2 days. They just need 1 or 2 days worth of movement, and you will see them flying through the targets. Till that time, if you continuously look at your position, it is going to frustrate you. You might end up, booking losses instead of booking profits. So be patient, trust the process, either exit during your target or if it hits the stop loss. And luckily, we had kept a very broad stop loss because the idea was that if in case the stock falls slightly below, okay, to bring out the old bring out people who are weak minded, then we have a lot of room to move. It was a smaller stock, so that's why I kept a big stop loss. But nevertheless, the target was hit, and this was a good example of patience winning over or process winning over. All right. Thank you.